Kids, let's learn modes of transport. Modes of transportation are water, air, land. Land includes railways and road. What is transport? The movement or carrying of goods and people from one place to another is transport. Now, what is goods? Goods means something that can be used or consumed you touch with your hand, like your books, uniform, chocolate, toys, eatables, etc. People. People means human beings. You, me, someone. Now, how do you go to your school? If your school is nearby, then you go by walking or by bus, car, bicycle. So, you use means of land transport to move from your home to school. Now you go to a shop to buy your favorite chocolate. Just think how your favorite chocolate, chips, etc. reach your nearby shop, as it was manufactured very far, but you can always buy from nearby store. It is use of transportation. Goods carry from one place to another. Aeroplane, means of air transport. Means of air transport. Truck, means of land transport. Means of land transport. Car, means of land transport. Means of land transport. Scooter, means of land transport. Means of land transport. Train, means of land transport. Train runs on railway tracks. Means of land transport. Auto rickshaw, means of land transport. Auto rickshaw, means of land transport. Tractor, means of land transport. Tractor, means of land transport. Ship, means of water transport. Ship, means of water transport. Bicycle, means of land transport. Bicycle, means of land transport. Motorbike, means of land transport. Motorbike, means of land transport. Boat, means of water transport. Boat, means of water transport. Fire truck, means of land transport. Fire truck, means of land transport. Ambulance, means of land transport. Ambulance, means of land transport. Bus, means of land transport. Bus, means of land transport. Helicopter, means of air transport. Helicopter, means of air transport. Van, means of land transport. Van, means of land transport. Jeep, means of land transport. Jeep means of land transport. Taxi means of land transport. Taxi means of land transport.